Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's February 21st. We've got some numbers out from USDA, so let's take a look at those first. As far as corn, as we mentioned yesterday, they came out 92 million acres. They have production numbers this morning, 13.98 billion crop, which leaves a carryout of about 2.11 is what their balance sheets are showing. So over 2 billion carryout. Beans came out record acres, 79.5, a 3.55 billion crop with a carryout number of 285. So some big numbers there. And then for wheat, 55.5 million acres planted, 2.16 billion crop with a carryout of 587. So that's a little bit better than what we were expecting for wheat. It's a little bit more negative. But right now, looking at what's going on, you've got corn down 2 cents, you've got beans down 2, and wheat down 1.50 pennies. So is this because of those numbers, or is this just Friday profit taking? We've seen fund money coming into these markets, pushing them higher. We've taken out resistance levels, and we've seen the charts very strong. Now, the fundamentals certainly don't support this, but it is the charts. It is a lot of the fund money. So we have to see what the funds are going to do here today as well. Something else came out today, export sales. They were looking 700,000 to 1.25 million. Came out at 691. And then for beans, 150 to 500. Came out at 835. Now, something to note there. Looking at old crop and new crop, about 86,000 of that, 86,300 was old crop. Most of those sales were new crop. So we're not quite seeing any cancellations or anything like that. But the thing is that we still made some sales, so I'm a little surprised there. But it's higher than the expectation. So, but right now, market's not really reacting to that. We are down a couple cents yet. So we'll see what happens throughout the day. Looking at livestock. Cattle unchanged right now. Box beef kind of mixed last night. Choice up 47. Select down 13. So waiting to see what kind of cash cattle trades this week. The market's expecting to see maybe $1 higher, but we'll take a look at that here as it comes here today. As far as hogs, though, up 35. Cutout values were very strong, up 272 yesterday. A lot of these PED cases are still the driving force of the hog market right now. We do know that there's some heavier weights still coming in, but we continue to see PED affect some of these back months, or the idea that we're going to see lower numbers here for the summer months. That's what's got the markets on fire right now. That's what continues to push these hogs. As far as some of the outside markets, you got gold up 22 bucks, or stock market up 22 points, gold up $6, silver up 10 cents, but the dollar right now is about 10 cents higher as well. So watch that dollar. It seems like as it broke the last couple of weeks, we've seen commodity buying. Now we're starting to see a little bit of strength. Does that mean we're going to kind of put things on pause for now? But really, money flow has been the big thing over the last week or so. But we'll see how we finish out the week. Please give us a call if you guys have any questions at all. We're here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day today. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you next week.